This is how to get the Lenovo Legion Y520's Intel HD 630 and GTX 1050, 1050 Ti or 1060 Max-Q to work on Windows 7. For the Intel HD 630 we have two options. Number 1. We can use the driver provided by the link from this video right here, which we can access from the Internet Archive. This driver will install just fine without any workarounds, but this driver is very old, from 2016, so if you want to use a newer driver, there's also option 2. We're going to download these two drivers from the links that will be provided in the video description, one from 2018 and one from 2021. Make sure to install the zip variants. After download, extract both of the drivers to separate folders, then press your Windows key plus R, type dev-mgmt.msc and hit enter. In the device manager, go to display adapters, right click on the standard VGA graphics adapter and go to properties, details, hardware IDs. Now the important information here are these letters and numbers that say dev591B or whatever they say in your case. So now we'll open the 2018 driver folder and in it we'll go to graphics and open this file right here. Let's look for dev591B and here it is. So now we'll copy this line right here, then go to the 2021 driver folder and look for the file with the same name as the one that we opened for the other driver. Now scroll down until you find the Windows 7 install lines and paste the line that we copied from the 2018 driver right here. Replace the IKBLD thingy with the ISKLD one, and if you don't want the Intel HD 630 to have a funny name, you can copy this IKBLHEOGT2 or whatever it is in your case thingy, scroll all the way down here, paste the thing that's not related to the Halo games right here, then copy and paste one of these lines as shown and change it to Intel HD Graphics 630. And you can now hopefully install the 2021 driver without any issues. With that, we have a Smart Wizard driver for the Intel HD 630 working in Windows 7. We can now proceed with the NVIDIA GPU. The installation of the driver is exactly as you would normally install an NVIDIA driver until it's time to restart the laptop. Do not restart your Lenovo Y520 yet, because as it turns out, Windows 7 suffers from severe stability issues on the Lenovo Y520 when you also have the NVIDIA driver installed. Issues ranging from the OS gradually becoming unresponsive until reaching the point of completely freezing, to constant blue screens related to the NVIDIA driver, regardless of what driver version you use. Luckily, there's a workaround for this. We need to make it so that as soon as Windows 7 is done logging on, the NVIDIA GPU is immediately jolted into running an application, preferably something that consumes as little resources in the background as possible and launches very quickly. Specifically, I used Quake 1 with the Ultimate Quake patch from PC Gaming Wiki. It is strongly recommended to download the game on your NVMe if you have one, to ensure it launches as quickly as possible. You should also lower down the settings of the game and change its resolution to 320 by 200, but always in windowed mode for stability reasons. You can also disable high DPI scaling of the game's exe to make the game window even smaller. Now create a shortcut of the game and place it in the startup folder of the start menu, and you can now finally restart your Lenovo Y520. After the restart, you can go to the volume mixer and mute the Quake 1 process. Now, there are a few things to consider here. Number 1. Minimizing the game will disable the NVIDIA GPU. Same goes for closing the game and dragging it all the way down. Number 2. Trying to run pretty much anything using the integrated graphics will also cause the NVIDIA GPU to disable itself. That's why you should go to the NVIDIA control panel and set the preferred graphics processor option to high performance NVIDIA processor. If your NVIDIA GPU disables itself, the only way to re-enable it is to restart Windows 7. Number 3. There is a very small chance that the game fails to launch on logon, resulting in the aforementioned stability issues returning. So at the end of the day, it's not a perfect workaround, but it's one that works well in my case like 98% of the time. And I hope it helped you too to get your Lenovo Legion Y520's graphics cards to work on Windows 7. Goodbye and have a nice day.